A random intro.
Good morning, everyone.
We're here because because River's still sleeping. Oh yeah, welcome back, Abby.
Mom has iPhone 13. iPhone 14.
Ako, iPhone 300.
Hello.
Do you use body spray?
What do you mean body spray?
Like Axe?
Yeah, no, actually don't use Axe. I use something else.
Oh, I use
It's a
Axe.
secret formula.
I use Axe.
Yo, it's not moving! Yo, what's up guys? So today we're gonna go swimming, but this dude has freaking basketball again, so he won't swim. And this dude is nakikisama in the basketball, and this dude won't go because he hasn't prayed the rosary last night. Pain. Sheesh! Eddie Mar, sasama ka sa swimming? Okay?
Guard me.
Bantayan mo nga si Kuya Digo. Yo, they're gonna do 1v1 guys. Go, 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 go! Bantayan mo. Definition of a guy who doesn't know how to play basketball, right? Oh! Open layup. Oh wow! Great defense, great defense.
What am I supposed to say?
Say we're in the pool.
What?
We're in the pool.
Yeah.
So we're already in the pool. Say hello everyone.
Hi.
Andy, look.
Shower.
Ay, so nandito si Kuya Jade. Hi Kuya Jade.
Hello.
Excited ka mag-swimming?
Sakto lang.
Ikaw to, excited ka mag-swimming?
Sakto lang din.
Ba't si River hindi nagigising?
Sinuntok ni Pacquiao.
Evie!
Kaway, kaway.
Kawai! Hi Andy! Say hello! Ano ba? Para ba kayo?
Kaya yung tubig yan.
Hindi ginawa ata kayo.
Gawin natin na rin yung ginawa natin dito sa Batangas.
Ayaw ano? Oo. Hi guys! Sheesh! Andy, are you excited to go to the big pool?
Dalawa.
Ano, Evie? Malalim?
Yeah, I feel like it.
Uy! Ang galing oh! Ayan na, tatalon na tayo! Yo, what's up guys? So we're gonna try the slide. Tingnan mo naman yung slide, oh. Sheesh! May mas mataas pa pala. Kinakabahan ako, guys. Kinakabahan ako ngayon. Tingnan natin si Evie. Eh, na pala si Evie eh. Grabe guys yung view dito, ang taas. Uy! What the hell? Kaya ba natin to? Yo, ladies first daw muna. Ladies first. Walang tubig ah.
Ano yan? Abot mo? Kaya mo na.
What's up guys? Magka-slide ako! Bye-bye!
One eternity later.
Ano ba yung short?
Ano ba naman to?
Hindi, bolo. Ano pag umiga ka? Mabagal.
Yun ba yun?
Tumayo na lang.
Naglakad eh. What's up guys? We're gonna slide using my point of view. Bye-bye! Okay, so let's go! Woo! Ang bilis! Ang bilis! Ang bilis! Uy! Uy! Ano? Kuya Jade! Ano ba? Ay! Ayan na yung tubig. Ayan na. Hala, bumagal! Ba't ganun guys? Bumagal! Sobrang bagal eh. Nag-slow mo na. Talo si Evie!
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Sarap naman ang kain natin dito, di ba Kuya Jade? Nagutom kami mag-swimming, kumain muna kami. Ang sarap ng ulam, oh. Sheesh! Adobo! Yo! Okay, so we're back at home and here's Evie. He looks very tired as well, right Evie?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ano Kuya Jade? Pagod na? Tulog na. Bedtime, night-night! Night-night.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh,
What are you doing?
playing
Playing what?
Roblox.
So River decided to wake up after an eternity just to wreck me on NBA 2K.
Yo, what the hell is this score? Look at this score, man! This guy?
Easy.
What the fudge?
Then he decided to play Minecraft and carry us in Hypixel.
Sheesh! This dude's playing Hypixel.
What?
As we were headed to dinner, an unexpected tragedy happened.
Yo, we got a problem here. Bro shoe fell. Patingin niya. Ay! Ako po! Paano na yan? Lahat kayo nagbibideo na.
A random outro because we don't know what to do for one.
Goodbye and thank you, Jack. God bless you. Bye-bye. Goodbye and thank you, Jack. Just like your dog, I gotta go. Peace.